people that are having a little chat in the ranks that ceases as of now. When you wind up this evening, I want you to look to your left. Who's excited?
Yes. Yep.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 5. 1, 2, 3. 6. Lower. Hop. Lower. Warm up is over. You're about to do the Mogadishu mile.
Take their weapon. Okay, so we're going to have people carrying 2 weapons.
That's 2 casualties and store.
Ready? Left, up, shoulder.
Right. Let's stand there and talk about it a bit more. Move forward. Pick it up and move forward. Get your heads up.
Go Alpha.
Let's fucking talk.
Work together.
Alpha, Bravo, you're up.
You are still under time. Just 60 burpees. Get them out.
Okay, I'll call it. Ready, down. 1, down. 4, down.
I've said it before. If someone's good enough to call a cadence,
30, down.
stick with it.
That's something. I don't think I can say that on camera.
This is just a warm-up. There's a long way to go.
I'm not about making the least amount of people finish. I want to see every one of you finish. I want to see every one of you fucking finish for you. Heads up, shoulders back, chest proud, like you fucking belong to something. Caution bars above your head. Once every arm is locked out, every arm in that fucking pool is locked out, I promise I'll let you out. Why are you here?
Learn something new about
Why are you here?
I love it.
Get off your head! Off the head! Get off the head! Hey! On the water! On my shoulder! Alright! Someone help me with the ball! Come on! Hey! On the water! Help me! On the water! 6 more guys, let's go! Ready? Of course you are.
How warm is that?
See,
How warm is it?
Person, ain't I? If I tap you and you're not participating, let's start now. I'm not hearing match young, that's nice.
Well done.